Mo, 29, 28, 27, Mo, 26. You got 30 seconds to save his life. 20, 19. Talk to him.
We're going to get you home to Marcy, don't worry. Get you home to Tinsley.
I'll never go shooting with Jeff Rothman again.
Never go shooting with Jeff Rothman. Way up in your armpit. Now we're going to crack this down.
Good. How tight would you really go?
I'd go till it wouldn't go any tighter.
That's wonderful. So we're going to act like we've done it. Do you know how to make that hands-free by any chance? I know it's one of the first times you've worked with this.
Hands-free on this?
Yeah, I'm going to show you. When you do hands-free, let's act like we've got it nice and tight. You see this here? You'll take that windlass.
Take that in there?
Yeah, go ahead and do that now.
Okay.
There you go. Perfect. Now you have two hands. What would you do now, Mo?
Been nice knowing you.
Call 9. No, you're good. Let's do it. 911, what's your emergency?
We got a man down. He's injured and bleeding. We need an ambulance.
Where you at?
290 Brumfield Way.
Good enough. Thank you, Mo. Did a great job.